Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. This is B and Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
Today we're making a lemongrass tea recipe. Also, one of my mom's recipes.
Yay, Mom.
It helped me through my caffeine withdrawal, not gonna lie. getting rid of coffee. But before we head on to the recipe, go down below, hit the subscribe button, and while you're down there, I want you to tell us what kind of tea you like. We'd love to hear. But this is lemongrass. I have a few stalks of lemongrass in there, about four because this is just the top part. I have about 4 lemongrass in there, and the reason I'm using more is because these have been frozen, so they're not as fresh. But if you're using fresh, you might want to use a little less than this, maybe about two stalks or even the leaves. And I have cardamom here, and I have 6 pods of cardamom. I'm gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna smush these a little bit so I can get the flavor completely out. So I did my bang on here, so I've got everything smushed in here. There you go. Now I'm gonna put water in here and some maple syrup.
And this was boiling water, so this is hot.
I had it warm. You can start with cold. I'm just too excited. So I'm gonna put about 3 cups of water because this is gonna boil for a little bit, and it's gonna
So if you just use tap water, you just boil it longer.
Yeah. I'm just trying to make this quick because I'm too impatient to wait for it.
I know.
I'm ready for it.
I know. And then maple syrup.
Yeah. I'm also gonna add 3 tablespoons.
So 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you can make it as sweet or as not sweet as you like.
Yeah.
So there we have that. Now this is gonna boil, and I'm gonna let it boil for a good 5 minutes so all the flavors can.
So you just bring it to a boil. You don't cover it. You just let it go.
just let it go. And then when it's ready, we add the tea at the end. Like when we turn it off, we add the tea, let it sit for 2 minutes, strain it, and it's good to go.
Yeah.
So it's, as you can see, the water was already hot, so it's already boiling. Now I'm gonna turn it down to like a medium. I'm gonna let it go for 5 minutes. See, it's coming. So I'm just gonna leave it on a medium.
Smell the cardamom.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave it there for 5 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you what's up. Alright, so now as you can see, my tea is boiled down. I can smell it. So now I'm just gonna turn it off, and I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of black tea in there. Maybe just a tad bit more. And I'm just gonna let it sit.
For, you said 2 minutes?
Yeah, just for 2 minutes.
And the heat is off, right?
Yeah,
this is
the
just
heat's
sitting.
off. It's just sitting, and then I'll strain it. Alright, so my tea is ready. It smells so good.
Let me get a shot of that. Yeah.
There you go. And I'm just gonna strain it here. I'm gonna pour it in our cups.
Yeah. And with this tea, we don't have any, like our chai, sometimes the ginger chai, there'll be like a little bit of plant milk or something in there, and no to this one. The tea does not sit as long. The tea leaves do not sit as long.
Yeah.
So I think it's not, you know how tea can sometimes be a little on the bitter side, just by nature?
Yeah.
This is not that.
Yeah, it's not that. It's light, and it's satisfying enough.
Refreshing.
Yeah. So I just keep smelling it, you know, it just smells so good. But I hope you like the recipe. I hope you try it out. And before you head on over to kindredvegans.com and sign up for your newsletter. And while you're doing that, go on over to Instagram as well and follow us on Instagram. We're at KVegans, and we will see you back here next week. Bye.